Hello everyone, how are you all? Hope you all are fine and safe at home. If you like our video, like, share and subscribe our channel. Busy bees, today we're going to learn pink color. Pink color. And watch the video till end. In the end, I will tell you how to make pink color. Pink color are mostly girls' favorite color, right? I also like pink color a lot. Let's see pink color objects. Wow! What are these? Pink balloons. Isn't it pretty? Pink color lollipop. Pink lollipop. Wow! Cute pink teddy. Pink teddy. Let's see what's next. This is pink flower. Pink flower. What is this, children? It's pink candy floss. You must have eaten it whenever you go to a hill station, you get it over there. And whenever you go to a fair, there also you get it. Pink candy floss. This is pink crayon. Pink crayon. This is pink book. Pink book. What's this? Yummy sweet pink ice cream. Pink ice cream. I love pink color ice cream. Let's see how to make pink color. Take red color and take white color. If you mix it, it becomes pink color. Red and white makes pink color. Hope you like the video.